Among the top prizes at our 4th annual Car and Truck Show last October was a cooling and installation package valued at $600. That's $400 towards Champion Cooling products and $200 towards the installation at Overdriven Performance in Murrieta, California. We're going to follow Brandon along as he does this installation on a 1962 Galaxy. With the old radiator out of the car, Brandon could see that the AC condenser was literally hanging by a thread. He knew this was unsafe, so he went to work fabricating some brackets to secure it into place. After filling the radiator with the recommended peak antifreeze and coolant, it was time to start her up and get the coolant flowing. There was a little bit of a rough idle, so Brandon made some adjustments and had her purring like a kitten. At Champion Cooling Systems, we love being a part of the hot rod and muscle car community. Now this beautiful 62 Galaxy is ready to cruise the hot summer weather, which could happen almost any time now. Another great car, a great cooling system, and a great installation from Overdriven Performance. Congratulations, Kim.